Bro, who is this dude, man? Who the heck is this Connor Price dude, man?
Yeah, got it from the top, don't know how to stop. Foot is only on the gas. Why'd he have to drop? He already dropped, everybody getting laughed. He been doing it, they just cluing in. Go ahead and check the stats, yeah, numbers going.
This is our first time doing anything like Sandpit or any hill climb at all. So hopefully this goes well. Oh shit! Oh! Ah! Oh! Well, how do I get you out?
Oh, you pull the bike. I'm gonna look off the bike.
You're like on it, sort of.
Yeah. Where the fuck is my footprint? Probably would have been fine if I just sunk it. Oh no! Shit.
Just put your foot down and give her. That was interesting. Yep. Wow, nice. That was pretty cool. You just sent it. Oh, that one rock at the end just fucked my back tire. Oh. I literally just came to a dead stop. I'm not gonna lie, it was like really sandy and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go for it, and then I just, yeah. I just need to be in first gear, I was in second there. Shit. The bottom is, the problem is my front tire, my back will slide out with the, obviously because of the throttle, but my front won't. Oh god, that almost went bad. There we go. Ah, shit. Oh, well, we're mountain biking down. Oh yeah. Like right here, it's less aggressive, right where I'm sitting. The only problem is that if you make it up this one, it's forgiving because there's a shelf. But if you go up this one, you just have to ream it the whole way. Look, like if you went up this line. Yeah, like literally just to the left. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That sucks. That bike is leaning. I have it on the side of the hill and there's a little tiny hill. It's just extra girth mode. Alright, whatever you do, just don't loop it out right into me. Filming position, activate. Alright. Good. That was good. Nice try. That was pretty fucking good. Yeah, that one was really good. I could almost high five you up here. That was interesting. That one you were twisting and turning, surfing the whole way up. What a dismount. That was the best dismount. Dude, you literally just ragdolled. Oh man.
That was even closer, man. Now I'm saying my butt crack.
Well, the way you sent it down.
Like it's actually my butt crack. Oh.
Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's fucking go! Here's Travis's first attempt. Yes! Yeah, that's it.
I'm not as strong as you though. I'm like a little baby. I'm gonna be struggling up here for about 9 hours now. We're going back. What? What? What just happened? Your reaction too. You were literally so calm. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
God save the queen. You see where I lost it? Yeah, bullshit. I could tell.
Speed is you. You are a god.
Let's go! Good shit. Let's go, dude. I thought we were leaving with only you doing it. I'm not gonna lie.
I think after you saw me like try and fail 10 times.
Well, I was gonna do it. I just needed to get over the fact of it's okay if I break things. Let's go, man. We fucking did it. Let's just go rip around, have some fun, stop doing this like labor, and then go grab some food and get on the road.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh fuck. That sucks. No, I was trying to get my hand above front, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jeez.
Yeah.
Next bike repair.
Yeah.
It looks like a dog's ear.
Fuck.